Today I will be starting a 3-part series in where I strip and paint 6 miniatures, paint a tank, and build a diorama. Why I'm doing this is because I have this diorama that is totally neglected and has literally started falling apart. So I will be repainting everything and be building a new diorama out of this model kit. Hope you enjoy. I will start off by taking away all of the aspects of the diorama, just disassembling it. So I will be taking away the broken miniatures and also the whole ones. And I will be taking away the trees, the base, the rocks, etc. So some of the parts of the diorama were stuck on quite well. So I just took a knife and pried it out. Here is a count of all of the aspects of the diorama. So the first step you should do is strip the miniatures of their paint. We'll be using turpentine as it is accessible to me. I do not know where to get actual paint stripping medium, which is a thing, and I would really want some as it does not melt the plastic. Turpentine has a chance to melt the plastic, it usually does soften it, but if you put it in the right amount of time, it does help. And then just wash off all the turpentine with water and let it dry off in the sun. So I will now be fixing the miniatures. I will be using my poly cement for that, and then I will prime it and I will carry on with painting as usual. So I will first be focusing on the shirts of all the miniatures. I will be doing batch painting. So I will start off with all the greens on all of the miniatures. So I'm showing here how I'm doing one of the miniatures with the green. It's quite a watered down green as it makes the shading a lot easier. So next I will be doing the pants as it is the second largest area of the miniature. And I will be painting it Rathskin Flesh shade is the Citadel paint, and then I will be painting the skin, which I will be using Rakoth Flesh for. Yeah, the names are confusing, I know. Next I will be painting all the browns. I'm using Mornfang brown, and so yeah, if you do notice, I am painting in all of the incrementally smaller parts. So I'm starting off with the biggest part, the shirt, then the pants, then the browns, no, then the skin, then the browns. That's just an easy way of painting. It is quite systematic and it's quite easy to remember how to do it. I'm now painting the shoes of the miniature, and that should be all of the blocking done. Yeah, as you can see now I am just getting some shadows on the khaki. So I am using some more of the brown that is very watered down to just paint on the pants and make it a darker color. Now I am painting the face with just highlights, so that is just white added to the Rakoth Flesh. I am now doing the dreaded eyes. A tip for this, just go with it. If it does not work out, just block it out again. as you are using white, it is quite easy to cover the color. Here I am just touching up the skin once more. The skin is the most complicated part of the painting, therefore I'm spending a lot more time on it. It is the thing that you first notice of a human as you're looking at the face, and your eyes are drawn to it naturally. Yeah, I'm honestly not sure what color I'm painting right now. I'm just improving the miniature. That is honestly all I know. Yeah, just work in layers when you're doing your miniatures. It just helps to go with the flow. Not really think about what you're doing. Just do what you think looks good. So here, as you can see, I am dry brushing with brown just to make the miniature more dirty and gritty, as it is part of a diorama and I wanted to blend it with the terrain. And here is the final result. A pile of bodies stacked upon each other. It looks cool though. By the way, like and subscribe. Thank you to anybody who has stuck to the end of this video. It took me quite a long time to do. 6 miniatures in quite a high standard in my opinion. See you later.